Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a search folder meeting one or multiple criteria in Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook application and log into your account. Wait a moment while your emails load into the inbox. This ensures that all your messages are available for the search folder to scan through. Once your emails have fully loaded, navigate to the Folders tab located on the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are positioned. Click on the Folders menu to reveal the options available for managing your email organization. This is where you'll find the tools needed to create custom search folders that automatically filter messages based on your specific needs. After opening the Folders menu, look for the option labeled New Search Folder and click on it. This will open a new search folder creation window with various preset options. Scroll all the way down to the very bottom of this window until you find the option that says Create a Custom Search Folder. Click on it to select it, then click the Choose button to proceed. This option is particularly powerful because it allows you to define your own unique filtering criteria instead of being limited to Outlook's default options. A custom search folder window will now appear on your screen. You'll see a field at the top where you need to enter a name for this custom folder. Choose a name that clearly describes what emails will be filtered into it, such as urgent client emails or monthly reports. This makes it easier to identify the folder's purpose at a glance. Once you've named your folder, click on the Criteria button. This is where you can start defining the conditions that emails must meet to appear in this folder. You'll see options to add a search keyword, specify the subject line, define who the email is from, and who it was sent to. These basic criteria help narrow down exactly which messages you want to capture. If you need to add even more specific criteria, click on the More Choices tab. From this tab, you can add categories, define whether items should be read or unread, specify if they must have attachments, set the importance level, and determine the flag status. This level of customization ensures that only the most relevant emails matching your exact requirements will appear in this folder. Configure all these settings based on your multiple criteria, taking your time to ensure everything is set up exactly as you need it. Once you've finished configuring all your criteria, click OK to save your settings. The custom search folder will now be created, and all emails that meet the conditions you've set will automatically be added to this folder. This makes it incredibly easy to find and organize specific types of emails without having to manually sort through your entire inbox. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom search folder in Outlook that filters emails based on one or multiple criteria. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.